Hey guys, so today I'm going to make a video of my 52-inch Hunter Westminster ceiling fan in my bedroom. This fan replaced a Hunter Berkeley, which I will show at the end of the video. I still have it. This fan was installed on May, I think the 28th of May. This fan, we got it off of Facebook Marketplace for $15. It is from a reversible, looks like a light oak, medium oak maybe, to cherry. I flipped it to the, sorry, my family's over right now, so I flipped it to this light oak side just to see how it'd look, even though I like the cherry side better. So now I will get into the video. So here's the light. And we'll start with low. While I was putting the, while I flipped the blade side, I accidentally stripped one of the screws. But you'll notice one of the blades are kind of bent. And that's why when I turn it on high, it's gonna start wobbling. So, yeah, the wobble on this thing is kind of weird. And, I guess I'll show this, but in this box is the Hunter Coastal Reefs Plus that we got at Habitat for $35, I believe. And now I'll turn this on high. And that wraps up my video of my 52-inch Hunter Westminster ceiling fan in my bedroom. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.